This is a bond hearing this morning to see if you can be released or not, and under what conditions, or if you have to stay, or if you have to post bond. And we'll give you some instructions. I'm going to ask you please to listen. Everything that I tell you, I'm going to give you in writing so that you understand what your responsibilities are. You have a right and obligation to be present at your trial. That trial will proceed in your absence if you fail to attend. You have the right to a trial by jury. You have the right to a lawyer. You have the right to a court-appointed lawyer if you're financially unable to employ a lawyer. And if you want a lawyer, you cannot afford one. It's your responsibility, if you're released, to go to the clerk of court's office at the Anderson County Courthouse and apply for a lawyer through the public defender's office. There is a $40 charge for that. If you are incarcerating, waiting trial, and you want a lawyer, one will see you within 2 or 3 working days. Or you can have your own lawyer, but understand that you need to know what the circumstances are, and if you need that advice, you can do that. If you have any questions along the way, we'll answer them as we go. Mr. Gibson, is it? Mr. Gibson, good morning. Lieutenant Robeson, you're here. You got anybody that you want?
No, Your Honor. The family is burying their loved one today.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Mr. Gibson, good morning. You've been charged with accessory after the fact on a Class A, B, or C felony, which includes murder. Where do you live, sir? Are your parents here?
Yes, sir.
You want to come up and stand with them? You certainly can. If you like, I mean, that's your decision. But understand, you're very, very lucky to have your family stand behind you on this. You see many people in here who don't have any support. Where do you live, sir?
911 Springdale Road.
Okay, do you work?
Yes, sir.
What do you do all day?
So we,
Oh, okay. I mean, do you, can I ask you a question? Do you finish school?
no, sir.
Okay. Post that bond to be released. You get a bondsman or somebody to do that if that's what you choose to do. You have a trial date. You have a reporting date to the solicitor's office on May the 24th. It's called a roll call. You go in, and if you're released, and you tell them where you're at and whatnot. Do you want me to appoint a lawyer for you? Well, we can appoint one for, I mean, he doesn't work, so he's going to be eligible for one. But if you change your mind, you always can, okay? Have you ever been arrested before? For what charge?
Possession of stolen weapon. But I got lowered to possession of stolen goods because I was trying to kill myself.
Oh, okay. Well, don't do that. Just get yourself some help. I appreciate your mom being here, and good luck to you, sir. You have a right to a preliminary hearing, I'm thinking. You have a right to a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is where you ask the judge to review the evidence, to see if the case goes forward. It would be my suggestion to you, because you only have 10 days to sign that you sign it today, and then let your lawyer know that you've asked for it. If your lawyer wants to have it, you can have it, but if you don't want to have it, you don't have to have it, but you cannot ask for it after 10 days. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that.
could leave anytime you want.
Okay, after him, I should be in.
Mr. Brunson, good morning again. I see you're back this morning. Mr. Brunson, you've got some city charges here.